somebody thinks if your doctor thinks you have cancer, diagnostic techniques use invasive and potentially inaccurate methods, so biopsies, i.e. biopsies. So think you have a malignant tumor, they go and they biopsy part of it, take it to the lab, test it, see if it's malignant, then they have surgery, and this is really invasive. So MRE basically generates high frequency, it's a hydraulic actuator that generates high frequency waves that can identify tumors in your body in the MRI machine. So his customer segments, that was basically the problem, that's a product. His customer segments, doctors, purchasing review boards within hospitals, and health insurance companies. So really all the people that are going to be affected by this have some interest, incentive to adopt this. What are their value propositions? James did a pretty good job of identifying like who the customers are that he needs to get feedback from, and then what the value proposition that MRE is offering. So here and you guys all didn't need to do this was just kind of his own. All three of these customer segments have a job, and he has a value proposition that makes their job and their lives easier. So the doctor's job is to see as many patients as possible while providing really the best triage healthcare. His value proposition to that is there's going to be time saved with the MRE. Rather than having to go and do a biopsy, which takes time, it's invasive. I think you have to put people under even sometimes. You just send them to the lab, and the doctor can see more patients every day. Limits complications.